Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 8. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 4, 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this row, we're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing a 9. And for this box, we're missing an 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.